You've reached Eli. Wait for the beep.
Hi, it's me. I'm at the hospital. I was just kind of hoping to hear your voice. It just kind of hit me how scared I am. And I know I said not to come home. Can you come home, please?
Ask and I appear.
You came.
Yeah, well, that's right after you told me the news. I hope you're not mad. What's going on? Are you leaving? Or are you okay?
I feel fine. Everyone just keeps telling me that I'm sick. I think I'm only gonna get a lot sicker.